I need to make sure that the business runs, that I'm able to keep the airplanes flying, keep my employees working, and Midland helped me do that. AV8 is a flight school that has airplane and helicopter flight training. We have 9 hangars that we use to store our aircraft. When we purchased the company, the doors most of them were original. The equipment was old, the technology was old, and we were looking for something that was safer, easier to operate, and more reliable than the ones that we had. We were familiar with a door company. The experience was less than stellar. They showed up with a trailer, put the frame in, and then walked away. We ended up having to put plywood on the outside of the door for, it was almost 8 months, because we couldn't get people to install it properly that were familiar with it. A year later, the owner found a flyer for Midland Doors. We contacted them. Totally different experience. They had all of the equipment that they needed. We didn't have to rent anything. They brought their own ball. They unloaded things. They put it up. Everything came ready to go. It was almost a turnkey type solution. It was less than 10 days, might even been right around a week time frame to put in 3 doors. And when they left, we had a working door. On a daily basis, we're opening the doors multiple times a day, and I have no doubt, no question that they're going to work every time